How an INTJ acts when they like someone. INTJ individuals may exhibit distinctive behaviors when they develop feelings for someone. Here are some signs to watch for. Intellectual engagement. INTJs are known for their intellectual prowess, and when they like someone, they may engage in stimulating and thoughtful conversations, exploring various ideas and theories. Strategic planning. INTJs are strategic thinkers, and when they have romantic feelings, they might formulate plans for the future, envisioning how the relationship could progress. Direct communication, typically straightforward. INTJs may become even more direct in their communication with someone they like, expressing their feelings and intentions clearly. Investment of time. When an INTJ likes someone, they are likely to invest time and effort into understanding the person's interests, values, and goals, seeking to build a comprehensive picture. Initiative in action. INTJs are proactive individuals, and when they like someone, they may take the initiative in planning activities, outings, or projects to spend time together. Sharing knowledge. Known for their knowledge-seeking nature, INTJs may share their insights and expertise with someone they like, offering a glimpse into their intellectual world. Concern for efficiency. Efficiency matters to INTJs, and when they like someone, they may strive to make the relationship efficient, solving problems and addressing challenges in a pragmatic manner. How to make an INTJ like you. Intellectual stimulation. Engage them in intellectually stimulating conversations. INTJs appreciate partners who can match their mental agility and engage in discussions on various topics. Be direct and honest. INTJs value directness and honesty. Clearly express your thoughts and feelings, avoiding ambiguity or hidden agendas. Respect their independence. Allow them the independence they value. INTJs appreciate partners who respect their need for personal space and autonomy. Demonstrate competence. Show competence in your pursuits. INTJs are attracted to individuals who are knowledgeable and skilled in their respective areas of interest. Initiate activities. While INTJs are proactive, they also appreciate partners who take the initiative, plan activities or projects that align with their interests. Value efficiency. Demonstrate efficiency and practicality in your actions. INTJs appreciate partners who contribute to the smooth functioning of the relationship. Share future goals. Discuss future goals and aspiration. INTJs are more likely to be attracted to individuals who have a clear vision and align with their long-term plans. In summary, connecting with an INTJ involves stimulating their intellect, being direct and honest, respecting their independence, and demonstrating competence and efficiency.